Changing your payout method on SECU Maryland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the SECU Maryland website or mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This is typically located in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the option to add or change your payout method. You may be prompted to enter new banking information or select from available payout options. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout method, ensure you save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on SECU Maryland. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.